Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to this PrimeHost review. We are going to be taking a close look at PrimeHost, and also, most importantly, I've put together some high-value custom bonuses for you to deliver the best results for you with PrimeHost. So, PrimeHost allows you to host unlimited websites without you having to pay monthly or annual fees. If you are hosting your website normally and you are paying for hosting, what we are used to is paying monthly or annually to host your website. But PrimeHost actually allows you to pay a one-time fee, just a one-time fee, to host your unlimited website, and this gives you access to lifetime hosting, meaning you don't have to pay monthly or annual fees, and also you get access to all the features for hosting, like WordPress installation in just one click, and all those features you get access to on a normal hosting, you get access to also here on PrimeHost. Now, I've put together some bonuses for you that actually makes life a lot easier for you. If you are going to be building a website, chances are you are actually building a business website. You need traffic to come to your website, and you are actually looking at making money with your website. Either you are doing drop shipping, you are doing affiliate marketing, you are doing consulting, or whatever type of website you want to use. So I've actually prepared some high quality custom bonuses for you, which we are going to run through them in a short while to let you see what these bonuses are all about and what you stand to benefit should you decide to pick up PrimeHost through my bonus page. You find the link to this bonus page in the description of this video. So let's just go through the bonuses. PrimeHost actually goes live on the 3rd of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The first bonus is a traffic bonus that allows you to send traffic using other people's content. You can send this traffic to wherever it is you want to send traffic to. So let's say you have a business website, or you have a website where you are actually promoting products, and then you want to send traffic to this website, or you want to send traffic to an affiliate link. Now, Verific allows you to use other people's videos. Now, this allows you to engage. As you probably know already, if you are doing anything marketing, videos up till date are still the best way, to get the highest form of engagement and conversions and stuff like that. So, but this actually takes away the burden of you having to create these videos. You can use high quality YouTube videos, and actually add in your own conversion element on these videos. This comes with high conversion call to action buttons. You can also upload images, place these on these videos, and make them show up basically at any point in time. And this allows you to drive some high quality traffic to any affiliate link. And then you don't need to put this in people's faces. This allows you to easily get conversions. People have the least resistance, to this, because you're actually putting this in content, which works in any niche anyways. You're actually putting these links in content that people love to consume. And that's my bonus number 1. You'll be getting access to the pro version of Verific. Bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to the pro version of another traffic software. Now, this comes with done for you ClickBank product reviews and Warrior Plus product reviews. And all you need to do once you sign up, once you get your access to this Octagon Pro, is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, come and add it to your profile on Octagon Pro, save this to your profile, and then you are good to go. All these done for you product reviews become activated with your own affiliate links. Also, for Warrior Plus links, all you need to do is get your links. And also, this gives you access to create unlimited campaigns right inside of the dashboard, right inside of the members area. Now, this comes with free traffic that allows you to get a ton of traffic to these offers for instant conversions. You're also going to get access to training that shows you how to drive some free traffic to start making affiliate commissions within the shortest possible period. Now, this is another upgrade of Octagon, and I'm giving you the access to own the software, and then you can actually launch it, or you can basically do whatever it is you want to do with the Octagon software. Now you can change the name to any name you want, upload your own logo. Now, since you are getting hosting, this allows you to put Octagon on your own hosting with your own domain name, with your own logo, your own branding, everything. And actually, you can go ahead and launch this as if it were your own. And this actually gives you access to all the upgrades also. So you basically have a complete product. Let's say you are looking at launching this as your own software. You have a complete product to launch. This is currently being sold at $197, but I'm actually giving this for free as my bonus number 3 for picking up PrimeHost. Also, bonus number 4, this is a training by a 7-figure affiliate marketer that shows you how to turn less than $10 downwards into $250 over and over again. This is actually about domain flipping and stuff like that, how to get some high value domains which you can actually use for backlinks, which you can use to drive some traffic. Some of these domains are actually still getting a ton of free traffic. You can just convert, redirect to any affiliate offer, and also you can actually flip this for upwards of $250 actually. So there's a training here. This was actually launched earlier this year. There's a training here that shows you how to go about doing that without basically any experience. The training here actually shows you how to do that starting today basically. Also, bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you how to build your own website. Now, it's easy to actually, create a WordPress website. All you need to do is just click and follow the steps, and then you can create your own WordPress website. But I'm going to be showing you how to create a WordPress website you can actually sell on. Either you're doing dropshipping, you're selling your own product, or you're even doing affiliate marketing. You're going to be getting access to a training from me that shows you how to do that. And if you are not conversant with web hosting and how to put everything together, this actually shows you how to do that also. Also, bonus number 6, still talking about driving some high quality targeted traffic to any affiliate offer. Now, you're going to be getting access to the pro version of Equinox, which takes away all the limitations in the front end also. Now, Equinox allows you to use already established channels. Talking about YouTube now, you can actually drive some traffic from videos from established YouTube channels. Now, you don't need to start building up your own authority, because obviously it's going to take time. It might take months or years, but you are going to be able to use these established channels. You're going to be able to drive traffic. Now, you're going to be able to find videos that have expired links in their descriptions. Now, for one reason or the other, these links have not been renewed. These domains have not been renewed, and people are actually clicking on them, watching these videos, clicking on these links. These links are taking them nowhere because they are expired. Now, you have the opportunity to go pick up these links that are getting a ton of traffic every single day. Now, these are in any niche. You can actually pick this up in any niche, and then you can actually redirect these to affiliate offers, redirect to your own website, and then start banking easy with this free traffic you are going to be getting. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to a training. This is a video training where I am going to be showing you how to do email marketing from your WordPress site. Now, if you have a website, which are going to get with PrimeHost, not only are you not going to be paying monthly fees for hosting again, I'm also going to be showing you how to never pay monthly fees to Aweber or GetResponse for sending out marketing emails to your list, for building your list, for maintaining your list, for doing promotions, sending out emails to your list. I'm going to be showing you how to do that right from inside of your WordPress website. No more monthly fees for email marketing. Also, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. Just to let you know, there's a ton of them, which is probably what other affiliates are going to be offering you. I am going to be giving you access to these bonuses also. So you're going to be getting access to all these bonuses in addition to my own bonuses also. Now, all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. It's going to take you to the sales page of PrimeHost, where you're going to be able to pick up PrimeHost and where you're going to be getting full information about this. So here it says, stop paying hundreds of dollars every month to slow and difficult to use hosting services that lack critical security protection. Introducing the brand new Titan Core technology-based hosting platform to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast and secure servers at an unbeatable low one-time price. So this is the sales page of PrimeHost. Feel free, come check out the sales page in your own time to get full information about PrimeHost. So I'm going to show you the pricing right now, and also I'm going to let you see how PrimeHost works. So the front end goes for a one-time fee of $47. Bear in mind that there's no monthly fees for this. This is a one-time lifetime hosting offer you're going to be getting for this one-time fee. So you get to host unlimited websites and unlimited domains. You get access to all these features, 24/7 technical support. This is completely newbie friendly and easy to use. Of course, if you are not conversant with hosting and stuff like that, my bonus right here actually shows you how to go about and do everything. By the way, this is easy to use. As a matter of fact, anybody can do this. Commercial license, sell hosting to your clients and earn easy profits, which is pretty cool also. Now the first optional upgrade now is the PrimeHost Premium that goes for $67. Now this gives you access to built-in malware protection, protect your data from any malware threats and hackers. Get access to commercial license for this also. Now OTO number 2 is the PrimeHost website builder that goes for $47, and this allows you to build your website in just minutes without any technical skills, and it comes jam loaded with done for you 2,000 website templates, user-friendly live editor, advanced drag and drop feature. So this is also pretty cool. Optional upgrade right there. OTO number 3 is the cloud drive that allows you to store, backup, upload, access, share unlimited files. So this is basically a storage that allows you to store files, share files, access your data from anywhere around the world. Upgrade number 4 is the PrimeHost SEO Unlimited. This is all-in-one SEO tool to improve your site rankings and conversions. You get access to bulk URL shortener, unlimited malware scans, keyword analyzer, and stuff like that. OTO number 5 is the PrimeHost Web Conversion. You get access to that for $47, and this gives us access to advanced tracking tool to maximize your conversions and profits. Easy setup and integration on any website, unlimited campaigns, unlimited notification impressions per month. OTO number 6 is PrimeHost Agency that goes for $197, and this allows you to sell. You get access to agency license to sell PrimeHost as the front end from OTO 1 services to your local clients and earn easy profits. You can create your own customer hosting account and create your own hosting plan. You can upload your own logo and basically make this your own. OTO number 7, the final upgrade, is the PrimeHost reseller that goes for $97, and this allows you to sell PrimeHost, that's the front end plus all OTOs, and keep 100% of the profits. That's across the entire funnel of PrimeHost. So that's going to be my review of PrimeHost. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Right now, I'm going to let you see the short demo for PrimeHost. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.